Hello everyone and welcome to your favorite YouTube tech channel, The Thankful Tech. Today, we'll discuss and give our reviews on 11 new tech gadgets. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest tech videos. Like always, the link to buy all these gadgets can be found in the description below. So let's start this amazing journey now. 1. Magic Flaming Fire Wallet. KK Tech Magic Flaming Wallet is a handmade, high-quality PU leather wallet. It comes in handy when you want to perform street magic and leave the crowd in amazement. All attention will be on you, and your family and friends' gatherings won't be boring anymore because of the best element, KK Tech Magic Flaming Wallet. It's also a perfect gift for your loved ones. KK Tech Magic Flaming Wallet is not just an instrument for performing magic. It's a standard bifold hip wallet with multiple slots for placing your credit cards, small-size photos, and banknotes. Therefore, it imbues all qualities of a traditional wallet, a two-in-one wallet. Now, add flame to your life. Buy KK Tech Magic Flaming Wallet as soon as you can. 2. Iceco Go 20 Ice Freezer. Iceco Go 20 Ice Freezer uses the latest technology to offer an exceptional in-car refrigerator that's easy to install and use. Now, you can enjoy cool refrigeration drinks anywhere, anytime. iCool Freezer provides dual-zone cooling and freezing with a single touch mode, making Iceco Go 20 Ice Freezer your true travel companion that you cannot afford to leave behind when going on adventures. Other automobile coolers available on the market only offer cooling facilities, and their performance is below par in comparison to Iceco Go 20 Ice Freezer. Its temperature control thermostat helps to regulate the temperature from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Furthermore, it comes along with a removable divider that separates the cooling and icing zones, having the storage capacity of 21 quarts. Iceco Go 20 Ice Freezer works fast, is reliable, and easy to use. Just plug it into your car's 12-volt power point and let it work. You can now enjoy the fun. 3. Levia Levitating Lamp. A unique blend of class, innovation, and technology, Levia Levitating Lamp is a marble-top levitating, sleek designed lamp. It's far more than just a lamp. It doesn't require you to change batteries after a regular interval, as it works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. The touch sensor located at the base of the lamp turns it on and off. In comparison to other lamps available in the market, Levia Levitating Lamp consumes very low power and lasts way longer. After years of experimentation and designing various prototypes, they have come up with the perfect design. It's more than perfection. It's Levia Levitating Lamp. It's simple to use and easy to install. Just plug in the bulb, touch the sensor, and let the magic begin. 4. Little Sophia. Little Sophia is Sophia's little sister. It's a 14-inch robot that helps you learn and grow. Little Sophia specializes in STEM, AI, and coding. It's suitable for people of every age and gender. Little Sophia's top features include various facial expressions, interactive abilities, facial recognition, AR functions, and the ability to walk. Little Sophia is an educational robot designed and developed by top-notch designers and engineers. It tells stories to kids before going to sleep. Little Sophia imbues all qualities of a human being, as it can generate 100% genuine human-like gestures and recognizes facial expressions accurately. In comparison to other educational robots available on the market, Little Sophia is ultra-responsive and serves as your best study partner. 5. LAZARETH LMV496. LAZARETH LMV496 is a gravity-defying, one-of-a-kind flying motorcycle. Its 70-horsepower Maserati engine provides the capacity to fly around like an airplane. LAZARETH LMV496 has shifted from petrol-powered mill to a new, modified, and more powerful electric powertrain. Just push the switch and start your ideal ride with LAZARETH LMV496. Furthermore, it can hover up to 3.3 feet above the ground, with 2 extra turbines at either side to balance your weight. LAZARETH LMV496 unique features include the hydraulic moving wheels from upright to horizontal with the use of a switch. Its digital dashboard provides you with updated and essential information, including speed, position, and altitude. Hence, the LAZARETH LMV496 2-in-1 bike is the future. Embrace innovation. 6. Treadle Imber. Modern problems need a modern solution. Tree delimbing is usually a very time-consuming and costly activity to take up, as it requires a lot of human resources and revenue. To address this issue, Advalingo introduces a fast-acting, ultra-accurate delimbing tool, Treadle Imber, that can delimb trees up to 15 meters. This mechanical supporter delimbing tool can reduce costs by 70%. Therefore, it assists forest owners to achieve efficiency and economic viability. It can scale almost 50 trees in less than an hour with minimum human involvement. Hydraulic rubber belts that can also be connected to tractors and small trolleys support it. The result is astonishing, as it produces high-grade wood compared to the ones produced through traditional means. 7. Third thumb. Third thumb is designed to alter people's perception of how prosthetics should work. It's a vital addition to the human body, as it provides increased workability and grip. Moreover, it works in complete coordination with various integrated components of the body. It has 3 major parts: a thumb, a handpiece, and an attachment. Additionally, 2 cables attach these 3 things with motors and controllers. The thumb operates due to pressure sensors located underneath the user's toes. Each toe controls a different set of movements related to the thumb. The third thumb is designed by taking inputs from neuroscientists and engineers. It's the first moving prosthetic thumb that emulates human motions and movements. Still, there's a long way to go, as this product is just a prototype. 8. The Sports Wrist Camera. It's a super cool 3-proofing sports wrist camera. It comes along with multi-screen applications. You can use sports wrist camera underwater or during a storm without caring about the lens, because it's 30 meters waterproof, dust resistant, and above all, 5 meters drop resistant. Sports wrist camera's super shattering resistance provides the quality to resist any type of fall, even on concrete or marble ground. The glass is protected by multi-layering cornering glass protection to impart sports wrist camera with extra shielding. A 6-layered glass and an f1.8 aperture provides the necessary quality to capture everything minutely. It's equally good and efficient when it comes to shooting at night, as it contains OV2718 sensors that overshadows darkness. It has a compact body and a magnetic mount that makes it a durable and high-performing camera simultaneously. Its multiple, fashionable straps allow it to become a smartwatch with a higher quality camera. Sports wrist camera really is an all-in-one product. 9. SPUD PopUp High-Def Display. SPUD PopUp is a multi-purpose pop-up display 2-inch mobile. It has a dual function. It folds into a mobile when you want to use it as a mobile, Similarly, when you want to watch a movie, it expands in a moment so you can enjoy streaming. Its high-resolution and ultra-portable display will change your perception of how mobile should operate. It produces a sharp, bright image with the help of the latest DLP technology. It optimizes your experience at work as well as at home. At the office, it acts as your assistant manager, whereas at home, it's no less than a movie theater. SPUD PopUp is the first of its kind that offers such a high standard of collapsible display. 10. Opie Flex Cam, re-imaging the world. Opie Flex Cam will add an additional perspective to your thoughts, imagination, and photography. Its bend-a-pose design offers different frames to take moving shots. Normal action cameras like GoPros need many accessories to support them, as you have to carry tripod mounts, clamps, and whatnot. Nevertheless, Opie Flex Cam is easy to install, lighter, faster, and above all, doesn't require additional assembly to support it. Now, you can capture memories of your loved ones in a completely different way. Those who have used it unanimously declare Opie Flex Cam as a stroke of genius in the world of action cam. With its time-lapse and slow-motion feature, add a flavor to your moments. Hence, record your life and relive the joy with Opie Flex Cam. So guys, before going to our last product, I would like to thank you for your love and support. It actually keeps me motivated to create more videos for all of you. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and do tell me in the comment section what you guys think of today's list. 11. View Smart Glasses. View Smart Glasses contain state-of-the-art audio technology that helps your ears receive sound clearly with any instrument or accessories like earbuds. Therefore, even if your ears are not attached to any audio accessory, you can still listen to your favorite music, answer calls, and send voice messages. Your new frames record your pulse, keeps track of your fitness goals, and calorie input. Furthermore, it comes with an aesthetic portable changing case that boosts charging of the frame. Make your daily life better with View Smart Glasses.